Have you ever wanted to change your Shopify theme but felt scared you might lose all your hard-earned content? Don't worry. Today you'll learn exactly how to switch to a new theme safely, smoothly, and confidently without risking anything on your store. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center, and everything related to your store's design can be found here. On the left side, click Online Store. This opens all of your theme options and settings. You'll now see your current theme at the top, along with other free and paid themes below. If you're simply exploring, start by checking out the free themes. Shopify's free options are surprisingly professional, clean, and flexible. When you find a theme you want to test, hover over it and click Try Theme. This is a powerful feature because it lets you preview your entire store in the new design without applying it. Take your time here. Scroll through product pages, collections, and your homepage to make sure everything aligns with your brand style. Once you're confident and ready to move forward, it's time to make the new theme live. But before hitting any publish button, take a moment to back up your current theme. Shopify automatically preserves your content, but having your own saved version is always smart for peace of mind. With your backup ready, click Publish. Shopify will apply the new theme while keeping your products, collections, and essential content intact. In most cases, the transition is seamless. You're simply giving your store a fresh new look without rebuilding anything. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify theme without losing content. With this method, you can experiment, refresh your brand, and keep your store feeling modern and engaging anytime you want. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next Shopify update smoother than ever. Feel free to drop your questions or ideas for future tutorials. Happy building, and enjoy your new store design.